Hi everybody, Evan with the Grainiac here. Just going to do a quick intro. I finally got my closet shelving done. I just used some slabs and I wanted to do a little what I have quick. I have this Bauer planer. I picked that up on Facebook Marketplace for $100. So to say I have all this money and equipment, it's really not true. You can find deals on anything. I use kbid.com a lot for an online auction site. I use Facebook Marketplace. A lot of my tools, I've never paid full price for it. My routers, same thing. I always just get them online on sale. But this is a 12.5-inch planer. I run all my wood through it to make my shelves. So that's kind of how it all started. As you can see, I have quite a bit of wood. But I planed these out, and that's what I use for my shelving. And once I plane them, I lay them out and I stain them. And for those that don't know, I'm married. I have 2 kids and I have a full-time job. I do not get paid woodworking. So any spare time I have, I like to hop into the garage and get things done. That's why a project like this took me a whole month, and that's why I haven't posted any videos. Anyway, what I ended up using was these L brackets. So long side goes on the bottom. These are 10 inchers, and make sure to get them in the studs. So you're going to want a stud finder because you can use anchors, but they're just not going to be as strong. And for my posts, my dowels, I bought these. I got a pack of 6 on Amazon, real cheap, like maybe $10. And then I grabbed iron. This is a 36-inch. Then you just Google dowels, iron dowels, but then I could set those in my holders. But anyway, enjoy the video. That's the hardware I got. Everything I found on Amazon. So real cheap, fun project to do. I had ugly wire racks in my closet that I got with the house, and I just been waiting to get rid of them and build my own shelving. And as you'll see in the video, they look really nice. Took me about a month, but if I had a solid 8 hours in the shop, probably 2 days, I could have had these done. I got my side of the closet done. I have to do my wife's side next. So um, I'll try to post another video of some small projects in the meantime, but I'll probably be working on that for a while. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, share. And this is again to show anybody can do woodworking. You don't have to have tons of tools. You can use a belt sander for planing your boards. It's just going to take a lot longer. So you don't have to have a planer if you don't have room for it. You can buy prefab boards. I just happen to have all this wood to go through. So I need to use it, and it's rough sawn wood. So I need to sand it down and get it ready to use for my personal. But anyway, enjoy the video, and hope you check back soon. Bye.